Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a cleaning my closet video. It's been a while since I cleaned my closet last time, but I'm always good at keeping it looking good, keeping it in order, taking out pieces that I don't wear. So that's why I think it's maybe 6 months since I last cleaned. I definitely recommend you, if you are a messy person, you should clean your closet at least 4 times to see what you have in there. But I definitely have a good system and I can't bear if it's too messy. I'm good at keeping it organized at all time. But since I decided to make this video like 2 weeks ago maybe, it's like my mind went crazy and I just lost it, and now it looks so messy. So this is not what it's used to look like. But let me show you how what it looks like at the moment. We are now currently in our bedroom. In this we have a lot of shit going on up there, and this is only my closet, these 4. Jona has his clothes in there, and then we have this clothing rack, sorry where I keep the pieces that I use mostly at the moment. Okay, this is what it looks like at the moment, and I have a whole list on Amazon with like organizing stuff that I dream about. But we are currently looking for a new apartment, and why would I now buy stuff that I might not need or it might not work in our new apartment? It just has to work the way it is right now, and then later on when we have a new apartment, then I can go all in on organizing stuff at Amazon. Can't wait. Oh, I'm definitely a organizing freak, because now when I look at it, for me it's too messy, and I guess a lot of you are like, what the? My closet never looks like that. What I will do is go through everything and hopefully take out a lot that I will sell. And also I will be really hard on myself and put a lot of stuff that I don't feel is a big yes at the moment and put it up there, because those are the boxes in which I keep clothes that I don't like at the moment, but that I know that I might want to wear 6 months from now. So my goal is to fill, because that one is empty, my goal is to fill all these up and make so much room and space in here. Okay, I think it's a good idea if I start by taking these down, so I can immediately, when I feel it's a no piece, I can immediately put it in the boxes. So heavy. And I'll start, I think, with this one and see what can I sell. Okay, it's so hard because I don't want this one right now, but what about Christmas? So I think that one is still a save. This is so pretty, so yeah, it's a save, even though I'm not a pink person at the moment. These shorts, I think these will be a pair of home wear shorts. This is my favorite for Christmas time. I wear it every Christmas and have been for, I don't know, 4 or 5 years now. Ooh, here is my beautiful linen dress. That, of course, I need to take and put in front of me right now, because I, of course, need that for this summer. Here's a super cute top with open back. I think I will take this out as well. Here we have a dress that I used to love so much. I'm going to put this one in my try corner to see if I still want it or if I should sell it, because it is such a long time now since I have been using it. winter shorts. I will try them and see if I'll keep them or sell them. Ooh, my stylist t-shirt. Okay, this one, I will sell it. Okay, these Levi's, time to sell. Time to go, goodbye. Christmas top, I'm not wearing it at the moment, but I will keep it. Okay, that felt good. Now let's continue on here. Okay, what should I keep? What should I maybe sell? Well, a lot of these are just maybe best if I save for winter. I'm not sure about this one though. I'll sell it. It's fine. And also, I love this one so much, but I never seriously wear it. So now I think that ooh, look at that. This would be so cute. Wow. Okay, maybe I'll save that. I'll have to try that out. If I'm not wearing it this summer, that outfit, then it's time to sell that knitted sweater. This one is nice, so that's a keep. This one is a save for winter because it's so freaky hot. What material is it? Because if it's cotton, well, no, it's cotton and acrylic, then it's probably too hot to wear summertime. But maybe I'll keep it here just in case I would want to wear it this summer. Oh my gosh, I have so many knitted sweaters in beige. Okay, I think I will take both this one and this one to my childhood home and wear them there, because I do need to. A lot of the knitted sweaters that I have there, I can't use them anymore. They are so nasty. That looks better. We have one left, my favorite white
knitted sweater in cotton, so it's really nice summertime. Okie dokie, I like it.
Continuing with this. Okay, yes. Definitely yes.
Definitely yes. Yes.
Okay, I have two of these and never wear the flowery thingy. So I think it's time to realize I have to sell that one. But this one is my favorite, so it's not going anywhere. Love it. Here I have also a green linen dress. That one I will save, but this flowery thingy, it's not often I use it, so it's time to let it go. This one is so pretty, but it's so short. It's time to let it go. Oh, what about this one? It's so cozy. You know what? Well, it is nice actually. Okay, I will keep this one because I can see that the two next ones, that one sell for sure, and more hangers, and that one also sell. This is my new favorite. It has been my grandfather's, I think. Oh my gosh, a blue hanger? Not okay. I try to keep only white and see-through hangers in here. Okay, this one, I have to admit, it's too small. I can't wear it. biceps, you know, they are growing and it's not working. Here we have my flowy two really nice tops, so I will keep those, and my hair that I never use, but okay, I use it maybe sometimes for some photos, but that's it. And then my cute little pink skirt, like the only thing in pink I have right now. Okay, I love what I see. Woohoo! But I don't know, should I maybe... I think it's time to sell these. Okay, now I can put those here instead. And I will probably... Oh my gosh, why is this so hard? Keep or not keep? That's the big question. I feel like these are more classy, so, and I think I will wear these, but I'm not so sure about these ones. So I think those will have to go, and then maybe it's time that I put these up instead so I can see them, and then I can get rid of the box. Oh my god, it's so dusty. Here I have a lot of belts. Okay, I will clean this and see you later. Wow, look at that. I actually removed even more off camera and put in the cell box or corner. So much more space and no dust. Less shoes. Ooh. As you can see, this is the chaotic space or side. And it's actually like, it wasn't only 2 weeks ago. It looked a lot better, but since I knew I was going to film this, I haven't been caring as much, so now everything is just messy. And I feel like it's not working the way it looks like right now, so I will have to move around a bit to see how I can change things up. Okie dokie, and I will try to hang as much as possible. This shelf down here, that's where I have like homeware clothes, but I will try to remove some of those and I will put it down one shelf because I need more space for that, and then put the underwear here because it's the exact same size. Here I have a box with jewelry that I'm not wearing at the moment, but that I do like and think I might be wearing in the future. Happens if I'll wear it then. Yes to that one, yes to cute little tops, of course, and basics. A lot of good stuff in here, I have to say. I have just got rid of 2 hats that I haven't been using for 5-6 years, so yeah, These two are my favorites, summer and fall winter hats, so those I will save. Yes, now it's time for skirts and shorts.
Yes. Yes, definitely yes. This is also a set that I love. Definitely yes.
But I think I will save the leather skirts for later. I don't know. Should I save it or should I sell it? I think I will sell this actually. I do love it, but still I don't. This one is so pretty. Also so many years old. But I will save it because I almost every summer wear it. Okay, it's definitely getting better. No, I do want to keep those on the same. That looks so much better. Okay. Wow, look at that. So much space and so much air. I know it looks maybe more in the camera than it is in the reality, but as there it's so much space. In some places there are like 2 layers. Here it's like 3-4 layers of clothes. And I changed, so I put the socks down there. And then up here I also took down these 1, 2, 3 notches. And now I can add, because I think we have one extra shelf somewhere, so if I can buy those small plastic pieces, I can put up another shelf up there and keep things that I do not wear a lot, or like summer or winter thingies when it's the wrong season. This is what it looks like. So fresh. Oh, love this. It's so fresh. Wow, and this is everything that I'm going to sell. There are so many things that I'm going to sell. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video. Have a great day. Bye. And remember to give it thumbs up if you liked it.